All right, seventh grade. This is your bell work for week 13, identifying verb phrases and main subjects. All right, we are still going through and identifying subjects, verbs, and whether it's an infinitive or a prepositional phrase. So when you look at the first sentence, the green van might have stopped at the store. You ask yourself, who or what is that sentence about? And that is the van. And then you say, what did the van do? And it might have stopped. And that's my verb phrase. And then we have at the store, which is a prepositional phrase. When you look at problem number 2, Paul's red kayak was filled to the top. You ask yourself, who or what is that about? Well, it's about a kayak. And it was filled. That's my verb phrase. And then to the top is a preposition. The blue flowers were covering the field with their smell. Who or what is that sentence about? It's about flowers. What did the flowers do? They were covering. That's my verb phrase. And then with their smell is a preposition. Number 4, the little boy had hoped to swim 5 laps. Who or what? Boy. Boy had hoped. Verb phrase. We have to swim. Now remember, to swim, that's an infinitive because it's the word to followed by a verb, an action of swim. So that's an infinitive phrase. 25 children will sing at the concert. So who or what? Children. They will sing, verb phrase, at the concert, preposition. All right. So there's the first day done for you. You need to finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.